So I built a pretty compact 3x3 piston door, and I just wanted to show you how to build it. So I'm going to start out with the pistons. We're going to have a piston here. Our double extension will be on the bottom, like this. And then we're going to have 3 pistons on the side for this part. And the piston on top with this. And the block here. We're going to have the other 3 pistons on this side. And with this one, I tried to keep it as compact as I could, but it's okay. I mean, I probably could have done better, but it's fine. So the input will be right here by this lever. So we're going to have a redstone dust here and a redstone dust here. We're going to have a repeater coming out set to 4 ticks. And we're going to have a block like this, a redstone dust here, and 2 repeaters like this, both set to 4 ticks. Then we're going to have a block here. And actually this is an observer coming down here. And below the observer we're going to have a glass block because another system down here powers this piston, so we don't have to with this system. So now an observer can come out from here, and another observer can come down like this. And then we can just place a redstone dust on there. And now all we have to do is put a hopper here. And with the hopper there, we can put a redstone dust on top. And now we just put an observer coming down from the hopper like this. And then under that, we need a glass block like this with a redstone dust on it. And here we're going to have a hopper with redstone dust on it and the reason that's glass is we have another hopper over here and we don't want it to get powered, so we leave it like that. Okay, so now we put an observer here and 2 observers here, and what we do here is we just put a dropper. You could put a hopper under it or whatever, but like to the side or something if you want it to be silent when you do it. So we're going to have this here and another block under it for later. And for this one we're going to have 3 observers coming out here. And this one is going to be facing this way. Alright, now we're going to have an observer coming here, an observer going down, and we're going to have this powering that hopper with an observer here and an observer going this way to power this piston when it's up here to do the double extension. For this one, I'm going to have an observer here also to power that. And we're going to have a redstone block, and we're going to put it right here, and we're going to put a piston here and a normal piston here so that this redstone dust will power this piston. And then we're just going to have a block here, and I think that's all. So now it closes and it opens, and it's pretty compact.